In this video, I will show you how to make a GIF or GIF in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on canva.com. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come to the search box here and you want to type animated social media. So it's going to be a template, so it's this one here, animated social media, 1080 by 1080 pixels. So you want to go ahead and click onto this first of all. So what we're going to do is just create a blank template. So we're just going to select this one here. That's going to take us across to our editing screen. Now what we're going to do from here, this is what we're going to use to create our GIF. So the first thing you're going to want to do is gather your images for your GIF or GIF. And to do that, you want to come to this toolbar on the left hand side, click onto upload, and then click the purple upload files button at the top. So as you can see, I've uploaded some different quotes. So I'm going to make a quote style GIF. So now all you need to do is go ahead and drag each of these quotes into the design. So what we're going to do is add the first one. So we just want to click this to add this to the design. And what we're going to do is just resize this so it fits the design, just like so. Once you've done that, you want to come down to the bottom and you want to add a page and then just go ahead and put your next quote. You just want to repeat this for all the parts of your GIF. So here we are. I've added 5 images in total. So you can see we've got 5 pages down here with each individual image. Now some of these were not correctly in the correct format, so of course they're going to look a bit weird. For example, this one didn't quite fit, but you can see that of course this is just an example today, so it's just to give you an idea of how to create this. So if you notice at the moment the duration of each of these is 5 seconds, which for a GIF is actually quite long. So to change this, what you're going to want to do is click onto any one of these pages. Then if you come up to the top to this little timer, it says edit timing, go ahead and give this a click. And what you want to do, you want to change this to about 0.5 seconds. So once you've done that, make sure to turn this switch on so you apply this to all the pages. And as you can see, all the pages are now 0.5 seconds. So if I now come down and press the play button, this is what it's going to look like. So as you can see, it's pretty cool. This is just a quick example to show you how to do this, and I'm quite happy with that. So once you're happy, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of the page and you're going to see a share button up here. So go ahead and give that a click, and what you want to do is come down and click onto download. Now this part is very important. What you want to do, where it says file type, you want to click onto this box and you want to make sure you change this to GIF. Down here you can see the options there. It's going to download it in the correct format. So then you would press the download button at the bottom and you can see that's going to go ahead and start downloading our GIF. So there we go, our GIF has downloaded. So what you can do is go ahead and preview this by clicking onto it, and this is going to be what it looks like. So you can see this is actually really cool. It's going to keep looping and playing because it's in the correct format. So you can see up here in the top left hand corner is a .gif file. Now because this is created and we use the animated social media template, this is good to go. So you can upload this straight away to Facebook and Instagram, and that is how to go ahead and make a GIF in Canva. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.